Let's replace the Mac Studio 2023 fans safely, step by step. Power down the Mac Studio, unplug all cables, and work on a soft mat. Gather Torx T6 and T8 drivers, a nylon spudger, and fans labeled MS Fan 2023. Remove the external screws and gently lift the housing to reveal internal components. Locate each fan connector and use the spudger to disconnect the cable carefully. Unscrew the fan mounts, keep screws organized, and lift the old fans out. Install new fans with the airflow arrow pointing toward the rear vent. Secure fans with screws, tighten to manufacturer's spec, approximately 0.8 Newton meters. Reconnect each fan cable firmly until you feel a positive click. Replace the housing, align tabs, and tighten the external screws evenly. Reconnect power, boot Mac OS, and run a quick fan spin and thermal check. If anything is abnormal, power down and consult a certified technician. Thanks for watching.